Hello, and welcome to my video where I describe chips in Asia. Today we have Doritos black pepper steak. You ain't getting my initial reaction because I jumped the gun and started eating them. I'm a little faded right now. But you ain't missing much. Because they're really hard to describe. They don't taste like those two pieces of steak and a broccoli. That's for damn sure. They taste a little stupid. I mean, they're not that good. See, if you look at this picture, one of these steaks has like bad gravy on it. It pretty much just tastes like gravy. But not like you're like, oh wow, that sounds fucking great. Like mashed potatoes and gravy chips would be excellent. Why don't they have those for Thanksgiving? This tastes like a beef ramen packet that you make gravy with. And like some weird shit at the end. But it's not sweet, but just good. Hot pepper chicken was sweet. They taste like Italian flavor things. Indiscriminate Italian flavor. Like if you had a pizza chips before. That's what it's like. Alright. I give this chip maybe a 2 or a 3 out of 7. Basically, while I have eaten the whole bag, I do not recommend.